Welcome to the ClearCheckbook tutorial series. ClearCheckbook is an application that helps you manage your finances online. Today we'll be diving into the credit card payment tool available to all ClearCheckbook customers. The credit card payment tool is a way to track when credit card purchases have been paid off and to create a transfer transaction between the paying account and the credit card account. The credit card payment tool is only available if you have at least one credit card account added to ClearCheckbook. To find the credit card payment tool, go to your transaction register and then click the credit card link in the register options. After the credit card payment tool loads, change the account to the credit card you want to record a payment for. When the account loads, you'll see all transactions for the account. If you've already made payments or marked items as paid, I'd recommend changing the options to only view purchases. This makes it easier to find and select the transactions for the payment. Next, pull up your credit card statement and select all of the transactions that appear on the statement. As you select transactions, you'll see an amount tag appear at the bottom of the transaction list that shows the sum of the transactions you selected. This makes it easier to determine if you've correctly selected all of the transactions. When you've selected all of the transactions that appear on your statement, make sure the selected amount matches the payment amount. If it doesn't, you'll need to go back and figure out why. When the amount matches, click on the Make Payment link at the top of the transaction list. This opens a condensed Add Transaction form. Enter the date of the payment and then click the Get Selected link under the Amount field to get the sum of the selected transactions. After that, select which account you're making a payment from and then click the Add Payment button. Behind the scenes, this creates a transfer between the payment account and the credit card and associates all of the selected transactions with this payment. Going back to the transaction register, you'll see the transfer has been added to your account and the transactions you just paid now have a credit card icon in the description. You'll be able to view the details for this payment by clicking on the credit card icon for any of the paid transactions. For more information about the credit card payment tool, visit the help section at clearcheckbook.com.